This is the Cosori electric glass kettle. It's our go-to for boiling water for things like tea, oatmeal, or even the kids' instant noodle soup cups. It's all glass and stainless steel inside, so the water tastes clean every time. It heats up really fast, about 3 to 7 minutes, depending on how full it is. And I like that it shuts off by itself, so I don't have to worry about it. The spout doesn't drip, which is a small thing, but it's really nice. The blue light is just kind of a cool touch. It makes it easy to see when it's boiling. It holds a good amount of water, enough for a couple of big mugs or a full teapot. I use it for tea, instant oatmeal, and even the noodle soup cups. To open, just press the button at the back. There is a stainless steel filter as well as a no-drip spout. I would have loved the cord to have been a little bit longer, but that's okay. Overall, we're really happy with it.